Hi, my name is Mike, and welcome to Sleekr Digital. We will walk through the Popup Maker dashboard and explain its key elements to help you navigate. The Popup Maker dashboard allows you to manage all aspects of your pop-ups. First, we have a Popups tab. It lists all the active and inactive pop-ups, tracking key metrics like open, conversion, and conversion rate. We can also create a new pop-up by clicking on this button. This is the dashboard where we can create a pop-up. We can write the pop-up name, title, and the description, and we can also do the pop-up setting by setting up triggers targeting. Here we want to display the pop-up, and we can set up the display and the close in advance and scheduling. Then we have a pop-up theme tab, where we can create or modify the pop-up theme to match our website design. The pop-up theme provides a starting point of pop-up design. Here we can select the pre-built template or create our own. We can create our own theme by clicking on this option. This is the window where we can create a theme by writing the theme name and by doing the setting of the theme. We can set up the overlay, container, and set up the title, content, and also to the close setting. Then we have a subscriber step in the Popup Maker that allows to manage users who have opted into your pop-ups, such as email list notifications. It tracks subscriber data, including email address and interaction history. Then we have a setting tab that manages a global pop-up setting, including a subscription, extension, privacy, and miscellaneous settings. At last, we have a pop-up tool dashboard that provides the option to manage and customize pre-release features of plugin. It includes the following section: beta versions. We can often receive update for beta features such as ages, login models, scroll triggered, pop-ups, and scheduling. In the error tab, it is useful for troubleshooting any issues without your pop-ups. And then we have import and export. It allows you to transfer pop-up setting between different websites. By mastering these steps and tools, we have full control of our pop-up behavior, design, and functionality. That wraps up our lesson on the Popup Maker interface. Subscribe for more lessons.